Hello everyone. Again, we are talking about the DV lottery and especially the upcoming DV 2022. But this one also applies for the DV winners of DV 2021. So listen very careful what I'm going to talk about. So you have made the application for the DV, whether DV 2021 you have won or you are applying for the DV 2022, possible you are going to be the winner. So if you are the winner and let's say you are married, you have 3-4 kids, basically, you are supposed to come with your spouse and the children. But what happens if the main applicant, the principal applicant, the DV lottery winner, the one who made the original application, dies? The question is, if that person dies, these are the following questions. Will the US Embassy or the US government give the visa to the dependents or the derivatives? Or the chance of coming to America also dies because of the main applicant has died? Those are the most important questions I'm going to answer today because it has happened recently to someone. So I want to clear this out so that you can be able to understand what are the rules and regulations of the DV lottery and the benefits if you have won the DV lottery. Welcome everyone, this is Ernest Boniface Makulilo EBM. Welcome to the center of the information about Green Card Lottery, information about how to get scholarships in general or to get different ways on how you can be able to succeed, whether in America, Europe, or in your own country in general. So remember to subscribe if you haven't done so. Let me go straight. This will be a very short video because it is very tricky situation, but very, very clear. People have to understand because it has happened. I was communicating with one person and the person wanted to know through a comment that the husband who is the DV lottery winner unfortunately passed away, and the husband at the time passed away has already filled the DSC 260, is the winner of the DV 2021. So what happens? Will they be invited for the visa interview? Will they be given the visa to come to America, or what into that particular situation? I'm going to talk this one in a very respectful way, but unfortunately, if a winning visa lottery applicant, the principal applicant, the main applicant, dies before the visa interview or before you have been given the visa itself, it is different. After getting the visa or before the visa interview, two different situations. If the main applicant dies before the interview, unfortunately, the United States Embassy, the consular, will not give the visa to the derivatives, will not give the visa to the spouse and or children of the main applicant. Because you are given the visa because this is the main applicant, is the winner. But the main applicant is not there. The main applicant doesn't show up to the visa interview. Yes, it doesn't show because of the reason, and unfortunately the person is no longer living on this planet Earth. But if the main person, the main applicant is not there, remember the derivatives are given the visa basing on the main applicant. They are part of the package. So if the main applicant is not there, the derivatives cannot come, cannot be given the visa. You have to understand that situation. Is unfortunately, but the main applicant has failed to appear to the visa interview. For whatever reason, you are not going to be given the visa. But what if you go to the US Embassy or go to the visa? But before, let's say, once you get the visa, you have 6 months to come to America. Maybe you said, I will go there in month 4. The second month before you travel, the main applicant passes away. The main applicant dies. If that happens, the other people still can come to America because they have already their visas at hand. And the visas that have been given in the DV lottery visa, the one is granted there, it hasn't been said you are given the visa because you are the derivative of this. No, you are just given the visa. This is immigrant visa to go to America. Yes, by category of green card. So that is something you need to understand, that if the visa has been granted, that is a different situation. But if the visa has not been granted yet, you haven't been able to go to the visa interview, the opportunity dies with the main applicant. So that is the situation, which is unfortunately. But the truth is that way, so you need to know what happens in that situation. Don't hate the player. Those are the rules and the regulation of the DV lottery. So thank you so much. I want to make sure that you understand that one. And I'm sorry for the person. I don't want to mention her name, what she's going through this situation. So thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.